everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing excellent. So today I have wonderful topic which is how to describe a picture and how to describe a recipe. Sometimes what happens, we don't know how to describe a recipe and we don't know how to describe a picture. The reason is lack of practice, and we are translate again and again and we manipulate ourselves how to describe a picture and how to describe a recipe. So in this video, I'm gonna teach you how to describe a recipe and how to describe a picture. So first of all, I will teach you how to describe a recipe. We are good at cooking. We are good at cooking, but we don't know how to describe a recipe. So that's why in this video, I'm gonna teach you how to describe a recipe. So if you are new, so please like, share and subscribe. Yes, and you know guys, my name is Lavanya and I'm from Chhattisgarh. Yes, I'm Chhattisgarhi girl, and today I'm gonna teach you how to describe a recipe. And I have carrot. Yes, today I will describe carrot halwa. You can say gajar halwa. You know, every Indian people love to eat carrot halwa. And what about me? So this is my favorite halwa. You know, and my mama, every winter my mama made carrot halwa. And what about me? So I love cooking, and you know, I'm good at cooking and I know every dish. I'm not talking about especially like particular dish. I know every dish, even North Indian, South Indian, veg, non-veg, both. Because earlier I'm a non-vegetarian, but now I'm a vegetarian, so I know everything. So without any further delay, let's start this video. Yes, so first of all, I have half kg carrot. It's raw carrot, and 1 kg, 1 liter milk. It's boiled milk, and another cashew nuts and raisin and almond. Cashew nuts means kaju, raisin means angur, and then almond everyone knows. Yes, this is vocabulary, so please note down. So when you will go for cooking, so that times you know like what is the cashew nuts and what is the raisin and what is the almond. Almond everyone knows, but don't know cashew nuts and raisin. So you have to note down guys, and when you will eat, so that times you recall your mind like, yes, this is cashew nuts, now I am eating kaju and now I am eating raisin. So these kind of thing. Yes, so I have 3 nuts. And what about flavor? So I have cardamom. Okay, you can say cardamom means elaichi. I have elaichi powder and Shuddh Desi ghee. I am staying in village area, so that's why. And what about you? You are staying in city, so you have to like you purchase meal. You can say Amul. I don't know what kind of there is. So you have to purchase Amul ghee, and I have Shuddh Desi ghee. So let's start. And then now I don't have any kitchen, but I want to make a carrot halwa just because of you guys. And when you will go for make a carrot halwa, so you have to give, because I love to eat, so that's why. So yes, yeah, now I turn on gas, and then I have big kadhai. Right now I don't have, just I'm telling. Yeah, so now I have big kadhai, and my kadhai also heated. And then now I'm putting 3 tablespoons Shuddh Desi ghee, and then my ghee also heated. And then now I'm putting raw gajar. You can say crushed gajar. Okay, raw gajar means hota hai crushed gajar. So now I am putting crushed gajar. It's a half kg gajar. And then now I am stirring. You can say stirring means चलाना. अभी मैं गाजर को चला रही हूँ. At least 5 minutes I am stirring, and then 5 minutes left. मैं उसको ढक करके छोड़ दी. 5 minutes left. And now I again I am stirring. So there is water, because you know gajar also left water. Everyone knows गाजर जब भी हम बनाते हैं तो वाटर छोड़ता ही है. So there is water, and then now I am putting 1 liter milk and now I'm again stirring. This is the boiled milk. And what about you? You have normal milk, so you have to put, otherwise boiled it's too delicious, so that's why I'm putting boiled milk. And then now again I'm stirring at least 5 minutes, and then flavor, so I'm putting cardamom. Okay, so it's too delicious but this is it's just I'm imagining. And what about you? Oh, you also imagine, so it's helpful for you. And then 5 minutes left, and it's like a medium flame. I'm cooking medium flame, and then I'm again putting I can say now I'm putting cashew nuts and almond and raisin according to you. I love to eat, so that's why I have 100 gram, so that's why I'm putting again. And then again I'm stirring. And then what about yeah, so now I'm stirring, and it's too delicious, fragrance also. So how is my gajar halwa? If you like my gajar halwa, so please like, share and subscribe. Yes, so इस टाइप से आप लोग भी ना वीडियो बनाया करो, एंड मजा आता है क्योंकि ये सब ना थोड़ा सा मेमोरेबल होता है, यू नो. सो दिस काइंड ऑफ लाइक व्हेन यू विल कुक एनी काइंड ऑफ फूड, आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट ओनली गाजर. स्पेशली आप लोग के लिए खरीद के लेके आई थी मैं, कल खत्म हो गया था, तो आज मैंने खरीदा. एंड चलो कुछ बनाते हैं थोड़ा सा फनी टाइप से. तो अगर आप लोग के पास कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, गाजर का हलवा नहीं है, इट्स ओके. एंड व्हाट अबाउट एनी काइंड ऑफ वेजिटेबल यू हैव टू कुक, so it's helpful for you. And that times you memorize all the ingredients, and that times what happened, we don't know, we are struggling related to vocabulary, so that times you can go and search Google what is the exact meaning, and then you have to speak. So it's helpful for you when you will go for kitchen, so that time कि हाँ ये मेरे पास ingredients है, I have this kind of ingredients, and now I'm cooking, and it smells too delicious, and now I'm eating. So wow, it's too delicious. And now I'm eating gajar halwa. Wow, it's too delicious. So these kind of things you have to think in English, and listen carefully. Don't translate again and again. And when you will translate now, so that times what happen, we are manipulate ourselves. And when you will manipulate yourself, so that times like there is frustration. Like बहुत हो गया अभी, अब तो मैं इंग्लिश नहीं सीखूंगी. So don't manipulate yourself, and you have to practice every day, guys. And reading, writing, and you have to think in English, and you talk yourself. अपने आप में इतना बात करो. मैं जब भी मैं बात करती हूँ ना, बहुत बात करती हूँ ना. So that's why I know English. And in my beginning time, so that times I'm struggling, but now I'm good at English. The reason is I speak a lot, and every day I record video. So how is my video? Please like, share and subscribe. ये थोड़ा सा फनी वीडियो था, क्योंकि समटाइम्स ऐसे होता है ना, वीडियो जब रिकॉर्ड करते रहते हैं तो कुछ चीजें भूल जाते हैं. बट मैं एटलीस्ट क्या होता है कि बहुत हिम्मत करके बनाती हूँ. तो प्लीज आप लोग शेयर करो यार, मुझे अच्छा लगेगा कि मेरा भी जल्दी 1000 सब्सक्राइबर हो जाएंगे. 1 साल होने को आया है, बहुत कम सब्सक्राइबर है, तो मेरे को थोड़ा सा दुख ही लगता है. तो प्लीज आप लोग भी मोटिवेट करो मेरे को, आप लोग के लिए मेहनत करती हूँ, तो आप लोग भी मेरे वीडियो को लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब करो. तब तक के लिए बाय एंड टेक केयर.